I'm Terry Hubbard, President of the Impact Assessment Agency of Canada. I'd like to set the record straight on how we deliver federal impact assessments. All countries are concerned with sustainability and, at the same time, their ability to attract investment. Most advanced economies around the world have some form of impact or environmental assessment regime for major projects. Here at the agency, we work hand in hand with industry leaders, environmental experts, Indigenous communities, and the Canadian public to better understand and mitigate the impacts of major projects on people, places, and our environment. We're talking about major projects like transboundary pipelines, large-scale mines, marine shipping ports, nuclear facilities, etc. These are projects that experts say have the greatest potential for adverse effects in federal jurisdiction. With assessments, we want to zero in on what matters to Canadians and Indigenous peoples as quickly and efficiently as possible. The process is all about making sure that natural resource and other kinds of major developments in Canada occur responsibly and sustainably, taking into account Canadian values, the environment, and rights of Indigenous peoples. Canada wants and needs development projects. We see impact assessments as a roadmap that finds the right balance between the environment and the economy and helps us all get to a better outcome. For forward-thinking companies, conducting an impact assessment before a project begins is just good business and is what is socially and legally expected. We know historically when meaningful consultation does not occur and issues that are important to communities and Canadians are not addressed, problems occur down the road. By conducting these assessments openly and transparently, we give Canadians a chance to have their voices heard in matters that affect them. For transparency, we post all documents, like letters and reports related to assessments, on the Canadian Impact Assessment Registry website so the public can review and comment on them. The IAA benefits capital investment by increasing regulatory certainty and clarity. Our process is very clear, and we ensure that all interested parties are informed about how to participate and what to expect. Our set timelines are also designed to keep the assessment process predictable and on track. By law, we can't pause an assessment once it's started. Only the project proponent can. This means there are no unexpected stops and starts caused by us that could delay a final decision. In the past, federal impact assessments have often taken longer than we would like. It's important to acknowledge that. So, we're pulling out the stops to be facilitators of good projects and re-examining our own processes to zero in more effectively on what matters most in terms of impact assessment. We're also looking at ways to do better on our end too. We are committed to improving our review timelines without compromising our robust processes. For example, by finding efficiencies, looking at scale, and focusing on what matters. Our aim is to tailor our information requests to the nature of each project. We are also committed to the principle of one project, one assessment, to avoid duplication with other jurisdictions. That's why formal cooperation agreements with provinces are a top priority for us. We're also playing a role in coordinating any permits that might be necessary to help streamline the entire process for project proponents. A strong majority of Canadians think it's important to get assessments right, rather than to rush them and miss something. As we move forward with more timely, efficient assessments, we remain committed to delivering what matters to Canadians, getting good projects built, protecting the environment, and ensuring the rights of Indigenous peoples are respected and upheld. Canada's impact assessment system benefits everyone.